Hi boys and girls, welcome to our first digital homework assignment. Today what you will need for this assignment is your notebook and a pencil. That's it. Okay, we'll start with our table of contents like we always do. Turn to table of contents and we're going to title this Prime and Composite Numbers. So write prime and composite numbers. That's going to be in the video. And it should be on page 12 of our notebook. Okay, now I need you to find page 12 of your notebook. And then title that page Prime and Composite Numbers. Okay, in order to understand what a prime and composite number is, first you have to understand what a factor is. When you were in 3rd grade and 4th grade, they taught you that factors are numbers that you use to multiply to find a product. So for example, 2 times 3 is 6. The numbers 2 and 3 are factors, and 6 is the product. So when we're trying to find out, when we're trying to classify a number of being whether prime, either prime or composite, we look at its factors. So let's take a look at the number 3 as a product. I know that 3 times 1 is 3. So the factors of 3 are 3 and 1. I'm trying to think of something else that I can multiply together to make 3, and there is nothing else. Well, that makes 3 a prime number. So boys and girls, a prime number is a number that has 1 and itself as a factor. And I should say a prime number is a number that has only 1 and itself as a factor. Another example of that could be 7. Think about 7. I know that 7 times 1 is 7. But I can't think of any other numbers that I can multiply together to get 7. So the factors of 7 are itself and 1. So that makes it a prime number. The other classification is a composite number. And a composite number is a number that has more than two factors. In other words, it has more than 1 in itself as factors. So let's look at the number, I don't know, let's say 6. When I think of 6, I know that 3 times 2 is 6. I also know that 6 times 1 is 6. I can't really think of any others, but putting them in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all factors of 6. So because 6 has 4 factors, it makes it a composite number. Your assignment, after you finish copying what a prime and composite number is, I want you to come up with 2 additional prime numbers and 2 additional composite numbers that would fit under these examples and be ready to discuss them in class. So we want 2 prime and 2 composite. Thank you guys for listening.